Turning this 4mm foam into Sabaton's fit for a Nazgul King. The free template that I'm using was found on stormthecastle.com. Once I had all of my pieces cut out, I began heat bending them with my heat gun. To get that definition in the toe, I did a score and fold along the toe line using my Dremel tool. Once it was glued shut, I was able to begin lining up my pieces to figure out where I wanted the holes to go. There are no markers for rivets on this template because the rivets are going to be placed based on the size and shape of your own foot. So to figure out where I wanted my rivets to go, I placed the foam on top of one of my boots and then I used a sharp tool to indicate where I wanted those holes to fall. Once I had my holes punched out, I put them together using a Chicago screw. I'm using the Chicago screws because they give me flexibility in the shoe that I'll need when I'm wearing it. Before I can paint, I coat everything in Plasti dip, and then I paint each piece individually using a raw sienna and an iridescent rich silver blend. When that paint dried, I put it all back together using my Chicago screws, and then I painted my boots to match the foot piece. This was a super easy, super quick build, and I can't wait to show you the final product.